today we are going to discuss about the common admission test, that is CAT. So CAT is a computer based test for admission in graduate management program. So for various colleges, in fact for many of the colleges, it serves as the basic eligibility criteria that you have to fulfill to get admission in the management colleges. The exam is conducted every year by the IIMs on a rotational basis. Like last year it was conducted by IIM Kozhikode, and last year it was conducted by IIM Calcutta. So like this, the exam is conducted by IIMs on a rotational basis. And apart from the IIMs, CAT is a prerequisite for admissions into a number of management colleges. So not only IIMs but many other colleges are there which accept your CAT score, like FMS, IMT Ghaziabad and many other prestigious colleges. Now how can you apply? First thing you need to do is generate a login ID by applying, and then using that login ID you have to fill up the application form, and after filling your application form and submitting the required documents, then you can pay the fees through your debit or credit card, or you can use net banking also. And recently the fees has been increased. So for general candidates the revised fees is 2000 rupees, and for reserved categories it is 1000 rupees. And after that, when the admit card will be introduced, then you will get your admit card, and then finally your exams. So what is the eligibility criteria for appearing in CAT exam? So you must hold your bachelor degree from any recognized university. It should be recognized, and you must have 50% marks in your graduation or equivalent CGPA if that's the criteria in your college. And for reserved categories it is 45%. So that's a relief for them. And the students appearing for final year of their bachelor's degree or waiting for the results can also apply for CAT, and many of these students do to save their time. And there is no age barrier. People apply at any age for pursuing MBA, and there is no need of any prior work experience. You can apply even if you are a fresher, even if you haven't done any internship. And the reservation is provided to different categories in this way. For scheduled caste, that is SC, it is 15%. For scheduled tribes, it is 7.5%. For NC-OBC, that is non-creamy other backward classes, it is 27%. And for physically backward people, it is 3%. Now the syllabus. So let me first tell you what the CAT exam pattern is. So the number of questions is 100, and the total marks is 300, and the number of sections is 3, that is quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning and data interpretation, verbal reasoning ability and reading comprehension. And the total duration of the exam is 180 minutes, that is 3 hours. And there is negative marking of -1 for each incorrect attempt by you. Now the syllabus is quantitative aptitude. It includes the topics from class 8 to 10 and overview of higher level. The questions will be of higher level, and the topics include geometry, algebra, number system and topics like these. And logical reasoning and data interpretation. Logical reasoning includes topics like sitting arrangement, direction sense, so topics like these. And data interpretation includes questions based on data caselets and graphs like pie chart, bar graph, various other forms of graphs. Verbal ability and reading comprehension. It includes passages followed by questions and grammar-based questions like sentence completion, jumbled sentences. So like this. This is the syllabus. So here I have listed the top MBA colleges for MBA or PGDM. because usually the IIMs offer PGDM, not MBA. Although FMS is famous for offering MBA, so the list includes all the private and all the top private and government colleges. Government are like IIMs, and privates are like Xavier School of Management, XLRI, SP Jain Institute of Management. So these are the good private and government colleges. So when to start preparing for CAT? This question might have come to your mind a number of times, that what is the right time to start preparing for CAT? So experts and the students who have qualified the exam say that the time period of 6 months is ideal for CAT preparation. However, if you start preparing, if like you have started preparing for it in the third year of your graduation, then you will get quite an appropriate time for preparation, so that will be good too. And many students have cleared CAT just by studying for 6 months for 2 hours daily. If they can do it, I believe strongly that you can also do it. So if you are in graduation of your third year, this is the best time to start preparing for your exam. And all you need to clear the CAT is smart and targeted preparation. That is the key. These are the resources from You Can Prepare for free, and obviously there are various institutes where you can study on offline mode or online mode, but these are the resources which provide you free education. And I have listed the websites and YouTube channels for free concepts as well as for free books, so you can go through them. These are really helpful. That's all for today. Thank you.